Well, hello there, YouTubers. Right now I'm putting Autodesk Inventor 2012 Professional and AutoCAD Architecture Professional 2012 on my laptop. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and check out them. Look at this. Alright, we got AutoCAD Architecture 2012 right there downloading. And as you can see, it's downloading fairly slow. It's just taking its sweet time, but it's okay. We got Inventor right there. This is just the start of it. I've been wanting to put this on my computer for so long now. Anyways, that one right there, Autodesk Inventor, it's like $400 software that I'm getting for free for being in a certain class. Check this out. As a matter of fact, it's this class. PLTW, Pathway to Engineering, Project Lead the Way, Engineering. Oh, I love this class so much. I can't show you guys my engineerings, but that's my entries. And you got some isometric graphing paper back here. It's a really awesome class, but I just thought I would, since I have a ability to upload over 30 minutes on, over 15 minutes on both of my channels, I thought I'd just go ahead and make a video. Anyways, it has all these conversions right here, and all these interesting information, and basically, it's just pretty awesome. And actually, I can go ahead and go on PLTW's site right now. It's my engineering course. I get to have an engineering degree if I have 4 years of engineering. Well, not like, but I have to do some stuff. But internet's going to be a little laggy right now. It's because I'm doing so much stuff. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this. So yeah, as you might be able to tell, it's only 4:48. This will go ahead and focus. So it'll be about 9 o'clock till 10 o'clock till these are done. But here's PLTW. Really awesome class. I recommend you guys to take this class big times if you guys, if this is at your school. It really helps later in life. If you are interested in building things and designing things, I encourage you guys to take this class, because taking this, you have access to like so much software. So, not even funny. So yeah. Our school's getting a whole new building just for this. Well, also science, but yeah. Anyways, guys, this is gonna be the first video to it. Second video, I'll probably show Inventor, but Inventor alone will take hours to go through. So, pretty intense. Because there's so much stuff on Inventor. It's just it would probably take a good 6 hours to show everything. It's just crazy software. It's 3 gigabytes too. That just tells you how awesome it is. And that's compressed too. The actual installation is going to be a lot bigger. It's going to be like 5 or 6 gigabytes. But yeah, guys, go ahead and end this video and go ahead and 5 hours later show you guys Inventor. Hopefully I'll be able to do it on my screen recorder, but I'm not quite sure if I'll be able to run the screen recorder and Inventor at the same time. Because Inventor does record a crap load of resources. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this little clip, and I'll go ahead and see you in the next clip. Well, as you guys can see, I'm now installing Autodesk Inventor. It's going to take about 7 gigabytes, and it's got that many files left right there. So we want to focus. It's got 20 out of 22. Then we got that. Look what time it is. Look what time it is. It doesn't want to focus today. Anyways, it's 5:08 a.m. So yeah, and I'll be right back with more to come once it's installed. Anyways, talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're almost done installing AutoCAD Architecture 2012. Go ahead and zoom up into that so you can see. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it's almost done. As a matter of fact, I'm going to just zoom that all the way out. I'm going to just grab this, put that to the side. That right there is Inventor. It works pretty good. I'll demonstrate it here in a little bit. I'm going to record it with my camera though, because it does use almost all of my computer's resources. So I'm gonna have to demonstrate it on camera, which my camera is good enough though. I mean, it has autofocus and awesome zoom and everything, so I'll just set it on top of a box or something. Excuse that. I'm not very organized at all. But yeah, anyways, I'll go ahead and just cut this video here, and I'll go ahead and fire up Architecture 2012, I guess, and I'll probably get used to it a little bit, and I'll go ahead and fire up a video and show you guys. And that's all of the YouTubers, and now I'm just sitting here using Autodesk Inventor, just graphing my little bunny project that I have for engineering. Anyways, I thought I'd go ahead and just do it with you guys. So anyways, I'm just basically just graphing it and stuff. So and now I'm not the best at using this program, I'm gonna be honest. Anyways, this is the top of its snout, so let's go ahead and use the fillet feature up here, and just fillet that down to, let's try 0.7. No, because we want it all the way down. So 0.8, 9, 1, 1. Okay. So we got that rounded down. As you might be able to tell, that right there is that part right there. But yeah. So basically just made a line right there, and yeah, this Dell XPS is a really good computer. Some people think it's a piece of junk, but honestly, it's not. So anyways, let's go ahead and form a grid real quickly so we can do the other side of this. We want to make sure we get it on the face of our object. So and just do that. Click on that. Forms the grid. Click on this little hand over here. Drag it up. You can hear my CPU fan speeding up because this is a pretty heavy program. So I mean, it's 3 gigabytes and it's like $1,000 retail price, but since I'm in engineering, I get it for free. Anyways, so let's go to the face. Let's just zoom in. Yeah, there we go. Let's take the line feature up in the corner over here. We'll draw a line from this side to let's say right here, and it looks like we're gonna have to make 2 arcs on each side. So I'm guessing maybe like one right here, go down to about that maybe. Let me check my thing to see if that would be sequential, and it looks like it will be sequential if I just go onto this line right here and just take it out about that far, just to where it's touching that. Do the same on the other side, and just okay, now we want to make sure we get this precise, so what we're going to do is dimension it. That's okay, that's going to be 0.101. That one's 0.111, so we need we want to redo this. We want to do 0.101 because we want each side to be precisely in line. Crap, hold on. That'll do actually. I mean, really. So we're gonna have to go ahead and extrude that out to however long that was. I think I did a 0.7-inch extrusion. So let's go ahead and go to the extrude feature. Extrude. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I need one more line I need to make. Cancel. Hold on. Line. I need to make a... No, I need to make a line. Let's go to... we want to go ahead and sketch one more time. Hold on. We want to sketch on that face right there. go ahead and zoom in. Whoops, okay. I forgot, we need to make a line connecting that to that. There we go. Done. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead with extrude and extrude that right. Oh, you'll be kidding me. Hold on. I think I got one more line I forgot. Yep, I got one more line I forgot. Yeah. Alright, sorry, I was just, wait a minute, I didn't forget no line. Here, let's go ahead and just zoom in. Okay, there's our problem, right there. See that? Okay. That right there is a very easy fix. Just take a line, take that, connect it right there. Alright. Done. Let's go ahead and zoom into it to make sure we're fine. We are. Alright, let's go ahead and zoom into this side. Oh, there we go. You gotta be precise with this stuff, I tell you what. Whoops. Clicked on the wrong one. Okay, line. Connect that with that. Oh, didn't quite get there. Done. Okay, now let's go ahead and try extruding. You gotta be kidding me. Hold on. I'm forming a CAD file right now. Go ahead and zoom in to make sure everything's all good. Alright. Hold on, I gotta go ahead and figure this out. I'll go ahead and resume the video. Alright guys, I got it. I just needed to go ahead and redo it. Anyways, so now we can go ahead and extrude that, because now I got it right. So let's go ahead and just click the extrude feature. I want to get it precise, and I'm pretty sure I did 0.7. So let's just try 0.7. No, not quite. Maybe it's 0.1. No wait, 1 I mean. A whole inch. Was it a whole inch quietly? Oh wait. Actually, looks like it is. Alright, matches up. Okay. Let's click OK. And okay, looks like we're gonna have to do some serious filleting now. Fillet to a whole inch. Hold on. This is just getting really annoying. Alright, instead of doing the half and half, I just went ahead and did the eclipse and extruded it 0.1 and filleted it 0.1. So, I know we make oopsies here and there, but yeah, it's not going to look anything, probably nothing like this, but we were told just to get a rough estimate, so I don't need to be precise, which is good. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and click the save button, because you want to save often, really, really often while using this. Now, if you got any questions about the Architect program, Architecture, I really don't have the first clue on how to use it, so that'll be a later project. But actually, right now, we're going to have to go ahead and make that little nose. So let's go ahead and sketch that little circle right there, and extrude that boy like, probably like 0.2 .03 or some shit like that. So let's go ahead and just move that around a little bit, and find the extrusion feature, which is right there. Move that window out of the way. Put that right there. That is way too far. Alright. 0.1. No, probably like 0.03. Hold on, let me look. Nah, probably like 0.02. Okay. Now let's go ahead and fillet it by 0.02, 0.1. Okay. And you know, actually that looks ridiculous. Hold on. Here, let's do an extrusion by 0.01. That'll probably work out better. Do some seriously tiny fillets though. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and fillet that. There. Okay. That's going to be our nose. Alright, hold on. Let me just check that. Now I'm going to start cutting some stuff away. Probably going to have to sketch on this surface right here, this circle, if I can. Hold on. No, I'll find a way though. But yeah. But yeah, let's go ahead and save one more time. And now, since you have now seen a lot of here, you know what? Let me go ahead and find a way to mount this thing up. There we go. Alright, so I got it zoomed in. Now I start off right here. Anyways, this right here is the sketch button. Whenever you click on this and then you click on a face, it forms the grid, or the grid paper, like grid paper type stuff, which is what I was doing. Now extrude is what makes things pop out. You go ahead and click on that, and I'll bring up this little window right here. Now, there's one direction, which makes it go out, then this makes it go in, which you can cut stuff away that way. And I'm pretty sure this goes in both directions, which is actually pretty cool. Now, I've never used the asymmetric one, so I'm not quite sure. Basically, you got distance, 2 next, 2 between, all. I've only used distance, so I don't know what any of the others do, and this is probably all the measurements I've been using recently. Yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and zoom that in a little bit more. And yeah, so we'll just go ahead and get out of that. And we got more. Now, okay, let's go ahead and close out of that. Revolve, basically you can make like things like circles, like spheres and stuff. It's pretty cool. Drive, never used it. Rib, it's pretty cool. Basically you take something, there's a demonstration right there actually. Basically adds a little arc type thing to it. It's pretty cool. Sweep, basically you can make something like trail along. It's pretty cool. Coil makes like a spring. Making a spring, I mean, if you know how to do it, you know how to do it. It's not too hard. Emboss, basically you just put like some stuff into it. Hole makes a hole inside of something apparently. Fillet makes the smooth edges. Now chamfer makes straight edges. Shell basically, you know, it makes like it cuts away things. It's pretty cool. And draft, never used draft before. Thread basically takes like little shafts and threads them. Split, pretty sure it splits stuff. It puts a little split. It's pretty cool. Combine, well, combines things apparently, obviously. Let's go ahead and move along. We got move face, which will probably move your face around, which is pretty cool. Never used that. Copy object, you can copy a certain object. Move bodies, the form, never used that. Make a plane to work on, which I have used that quite a few times. I really find that helpful. Creating a work plane is just, it's a must. So yeah, been dealing with the software for about 8 months now, so don't make fun of me because I'm not a professional at this. This is some serious software, like $1,000 software. It has endless features. Alright, now that was just model. Inspect, probably don't know anything because I've never used the inspect feature, which is just let you read those because I'm not going to click on any because I honestly don't know what any of them do and I don't want to risk messing up my project. Well, then again, I can just click the back button right there. That's that. Whatever it is, manage. We got manage. Probably manage stuff. Alright. Rebuild all parameters, or whatever you want to say it is. Purge, update, feature, import, probably make a new part. Animate component. Alright. Let's go ahead and go to view. Probably just view things. Environments. I've never used environments before. Matter of fact, I just might start using that sometime, but really this is just a look. And Vault, basically you log into a network. See, it says go to Vault. That'll basically be a network drive. Oh, it's not going to focus on that, is it? Sometimes it doesn't like focusing on things. That's alright though. This is a great camera. Anyways, let's go to model. Let's click on thing. Let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and stick with the camera real quickly. Click on a face. Click on that, and I'll show you the sketch features. Okay. Now it's on a plane. Look at my bottle cap one time. Okay. Now, this is amazing. We got line, which creates line, circle. You guessed it, makes a circle. Arc is what I've been making the curves. Arc is really awesome. Rectangle makes rectangles or squares, whatever you want. Spline, you know, makes curvy things. Pretty cool spline thing. Eclipse makes like an eclipse type thing, which is how I made the snout, which makes things like, oh man, I need to zoom out. Eclipse just basically makes things like that, like an eclipse. We'll zoom back in. Oh wow, that's out of focus. Hold on. I hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. I'm so sorry. And we got point, which basically just takes puts points somewhere wherever you want to point at. Fillet makes the curved edges polygon. Well, you should guess what polygon does. Makes polygons. Project geometry, never really used it. Dimension. Now, dimension feature is amazing because you can make things a specific dimension as you would love to have them. And now constraints. Some constraints are easy, some constraints are pretty hard. Like this is gonna probably be the equal constraint. Basically, just takes things and makes it exactly equal. We got I'm pretty sure it's the tangent constraint right there. No, it's coincidental. No, it's probably the tangent. Yeah, it's the tangent. Basically takes something and makes a tangent to a line, which is really cool. And yeah, and then you got more constraints down here. Some serious software though, guys, so I can't explain everything. Mirror, basically I gotta make a mirror going down, a line going down the middle, and then you can mirror one photo over to another side. We got move, copy, rotate, split, extend, trim, scale, sketch, offset, and then we got make part. I'm just going faster because I only got 6 minutes left of recording time. Make component, create block, image, points, A, C, A, D, center line, construction, center point, and that. And we'll go ahead and just look at the more features we got. I'm going to go ahead and check those out. I'll go ahead and just hold the camera now. It's going to be all jittery now, I'm sorry. Alright, layout. It's not good no more. And yeah, well, go ahead and look at some of the icons up here. You'll notice the eye icon up here. Come on. Focus, focus, focus. I'll be right back. I'm going to see if I can... Alright, there we go. It's in focus. Perfect. Pretty much perfect now. You click on the Eye Pro, and it brings up basically... thing. Basically, you got Close, Print, Vault, which basically is the server, Eye Properties, Manage. You can manage your files. You can export your files. You can save your files. Save as. Open, and New. It's pretty cool because... I'm going to go ahead and click on that again. You can go ahead and click New, and it will bring up a little list of different things you can make. Now the IPT sheet metal is going to make it like where it's like have no lines and stuff, I'm pretty sure. Standard IPT is what I'm working in right now. That's the IPN is going to be your presentation. That's going to be your I honestly forgot what the IDW is, but your IAM is going to be the assembly, and that's all I've really ever used. I've used that one right there too, but I honestly forgot what it's called. So we got English and metric. Never really used metric because we just use English on this. It's just well, it's easier after you get used to it. And yeah, we got back, like basically just undo and then go forward, redo. We got save, which I should just save. Alright, then we can't save things in sketch mode, so you're gonna have to click OK. I'll go ahead and save it. Saved. Got that right there. This is gonna take a long time to process. I can just see this video. But yeah, we got a lot of things right here. Got different colors, a lot of different colors. And yeah, I'll go ahead and minimize it just so I can show you guys the icon. That right there is the architect icon, but if you look right there, I'm going to zoom into it a little bit. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Anyways, that's the Autodesk Inventor. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here because one of my sisters are raging. And I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know of anything else you would like to see on Autodesk Inventor. And talk to you guys later. Bye.